Hey guys, we're here today to install this plastic front splitter on the car. I've enlisted once again the help of my brother-in-law. Yeah, because it would just be so much easier with two people, because if you watch, it's very, very floppy. So we're gonna have two people to make this a lot quicker and a lot easier. There's some screws you gotta screw in, there's some adhesive tape, there's this little guy right here, and we're gonna do it all. So, let's get to it. I've got this right here. There's a couple of bolts. Here, I'll show them to you. See, like here, this.
Oh.
See, we're taking this down because we got to get up under here to get in there.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
It's gonna screw in right here, right?
Yep, that's the idea. I don't know, that might be the same one as one I have. Yeah, there's another one right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it would be nice to cover up some of these scratches. The dude who owned it before me, he had it in New York City and had to parallel park all the time and hit the curb. I'm not blaming him anything for that. If you parallel park all day, you're gonna hit the curb at some point. So I got the wheels repaired. This splitter will cover up some of the damages on the front bumper. So that'll be nice.
All right, it's all done.
There's that. And this. Oh, is there another thing blocking it, really? I think we might have to find a way to drill this out just a little bit. And I don't know where the drill bits went. Let me see. You can see right here. You pull it down and then this goes up and over. I mean, you've got the headlight. I'm gonna go look for the drill bits real quick. All right, so what's happened is the hole that one of the nuts that we're putting in goes in isn't quite wide enough and we can't find my drill bit. So Caleb is whittling at it to make it a little bit bigger to see if we can get it through from the other side. And once we line up the front splitter with it, should be smooth sailing. Kind of figured this would be among the hardest parts. Looks like you're doing pretty decent work.
Yep.
Don't forget, it's supposed to go through the other side.
Yeah, just checking the size.
Yeah, no, that's smart. I just don't want you to get it like so far in we can't get it out and it's going the wrong way.
Alright, you're fine.
Oh, does it work? Look at that. Yeah, it's in. Okay. Now, bring that back. All right. What we gotta do is we gotta make sure this is nice and tight, that it won't fall off while driving. But like this. Ooh, this is also a X bolt. All right. Now then we'll just hold it down. Boop. Okay. So then this goes up here and fits snug. Do you see how there's little grooves that it kind of like sits in and goes all the way to the back? Here. I'll actually, yeah, I'm the outside. See how it sits? There, if you actually look here, let go. There, see this groove right here? That goes right up in there and fits like that. I see this tape right here?
Yeah.
We're gonna peel that off, but first I'm gonna wipe it down. It's weird.
Like a little bit's hanging over the side.
By like an inch.
Mine's like a centimeter.
Quick switch side real quick. You'll see what I mean. Yeah, see mine is like maybe a little bit more than that.
Here, hold up. I'm good at judging distances.
Okay, sorry.
It's about the same.
About the same? Alright, you see that red?
It just depends on how high you place it. You see, so like.
Ooh, yeah, wait, no,
You see what I mean?
if
If it's further down, it's
Yeah.
more. If it's further up, it's
it should probably go
So it just
here, hold it up so it's flush. So I can look at the fitting of it. Yeah, it's definitely supposed to go further up where it's flush.
Alright.
See, I was feeling back here because they've got grooves that are supposed to line up, and I found where the groove was and lined it up, and it fits great right there. Here, check if this bit fits.
Yep.
Cool. Okay. Okay, that's definitely better. Wait 1 second. Wait, this might actually be pretty good.
Let's see that.
I think it. All right, take a look actually before we do this. Does it look sloped off to one like? It looks a little bit sloped to the left, right? But is it worth?
I think it's good. I think it's good enough. The key thing. Come here.
I think
Take a look at
the
this.
only thing is right here and right there, but that might be so close you might not notice it. You know?
I wouldn't notice it. But if you look at here, this distance from right
Yeah.
here, from where it starts, versus this distance, it's only like half a second.
You want to just live with it?
I think it's good.
Okay, so what we should probably also explain is that we found out the center.
It's not supposed to.
No, you weren't supposed to hollow out that little hole and put that rubber bolt through. It's supposed to go on top, but that's nothing the little washer couldn't fix. So we did that, and we're realigning it, except this side was actually pretty good. So sorry for the late description of what we're doing, but that's what we're doing. There it is. Beautiful. We finished drilling in all the screws and then went about putting everything back together. All right, well, it's on after a little mistake. We fixed it. Not a big deal. Think it looks good? What do you think, Caleb?
It's pretty nice.
Caleb thinks it looks pretty.
Mm-hmm.
There's a mosquito on his face. Kid you not, there was. I don't know if it would be on the footage, but it was right there. There was a mosquito. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love this. I love the way the car's looking right now. So have a great day. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.